Well, hello, fellow YouTubers and Harley Davidson riders, well, motorcycle riders in general. As promised, here is my update to packing for Sturgis. Alright, I want to thank you for joining me on this update. I did a packing for Sturgis in 2021. Actually, I will not be changing much of the content of what I'm going to take, but I am making some changes this year. For one, I will not be using my Tourmaster this year. I got an update here, and we are going to unpack it together. It's by Saddlemen. Here in this big old box. Let's see what we got. All Tigers. Easy returns. Gosh, I like that. A return label. Very useful. Alright, let's see what we got here. This is the S3500. I don't know what the S stands for. I guess it's Saddlemen. But the 3500 stands for 3,500 cubic inches of storage. This is it. Nicely packed. Let's see. Okay. Oh wow. It has the cover on it. The rain. Gonna be bad weather. Sweet. Man, this is it. The Saddlemen S3500. It's nice. Look at the comparison to my Tourmaster. It's deeper, it's taller, and wider. It also has side compartments to open. So if the bag is on the bike, you can still get to all your items. Okay? There's a divider. Use this. I'm going to carry it like a backpack. More straps. A divider. It has inside pockets. That's going to be handy. Right, here's the other side. Sweet, huh? Much larger than my other one. I think this is, what is it, 22 inches tall, 17 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. 12 inches deep, something like that. I have more storage on the sides. I do have buckles here if I want to strap something on top. This, I'm thinking, yeah, I think I can get this, fold it up. I'm not doing a very good job of this. Fold it up, let's stick it in here. Boom. It's right there. It starts to rain. Open this up, take it out, cover your goods. See how this front looks here. There we go. Nice. That's a hard case. That's a hard case. Very nice. Very nice. 3,500 cubic inches of storage with these tactical bands here. You can make additions to it. Very nice. And let's see, can we get a comparison to my Travel Master? Yeah, that's a big difference compared to my Tour Master. I said Travel Master, I'm sorry. My Tour Master. And now let me show you what else I'm taking with me this year. Brand new. This is from American, what is it from? American Science and Supplies. And it is, let me get it right, a first aid kit. Let's open her up. Okay, yeah. Another booklet here. American Science and Supplies. What's it about? Oh boy. Adult and kid toys. Okay. Put that aside for now. Maybe look at it later. Just kidding. Anyway. This is first aid kit. Take this off. Paramedic approved. Yeah. Nice, right? Why am I doing this? I'll tell you about that in a minute. It's not that big. I thought it was gonna be larger. It's pretty nice. Let's see here what we got. We've got some good stuff in here. Check it out, right? See that? Very nice. We have ice pack, bandages, tweezers. Got stuff for burns, wraps, gauze. Quite a bit of stuff in here. Yeah, give you scissors. Tweezers are here. This is not bad at all. Some gauze and stuff. Yeah. This is nice. Wow. It's supposed to be a blanket in here too. There's the gloves, skin cleaning wipes here. Adhesive dressings. Everything is labeled. Very, very nice. Wasn't that bad. I think it was about $49, some change. And the delivery was really fast. I think it got here within a week. They even gave you some safety pins. Okay. Well, this is what I'm taking new with me this year. This. And this. So, yep. Well, that's all I want to show you. It's the only update I have. Other than that, what I took last year and what I take every year remains almost the same. I'm just making this addition this year. I'm going to share that with you in just a moment. Why? And as you can, the new settlement. That's $3,500. Okay, why am I adding the first aid kit? Well, approximately, let me see, I'm gonna get the time period right. About, I think it was 2004. I had an incident. I had an entanglement. No, I'm just kidding. An entanglement. No, I fell off my bike at 70 miles per hour. I was coming out of Vegas. Actually, I think I had just left Baker. It was about 100 degrees. And at 70 miles per hour, I went down. I'll tell you what happened. Got a front flat, which in itself didn't really bother me. I began to slow the bike down, but I couldn't get over to my right because of the 18-wheeler that was next to me. So I'm keeping this bike going, trying to slow down. The 18-wheeler to me seemed like it was taking forever. Of course, I'm in a crisis situation, so that's how I feel. By the time he finally got past me, the tire had completely deflated and the front end really started to wobble really bad. And I knew I was going to lose it. So I pushed the bike. It's my Road King at the time. I'll show you a picture of that. I pushed the bike and I jumped off. And nothing but by the grace of God that I ended with a little bit of road rash on my hand here, on my left leg, and my left knee. That was essentially it. I didn't hit my head or anything else. It was a blessing, let me tell you. But because I'm my mother's child, I happen to have some witch hazel in my saddlebag, and I had some face cloths. I don't know why I had the face cloths. I had them. Anyway, after I discovered nothing was broken, I got up and I proceeded to clean out my wounds because it was full of dirt. Right there on the side of the road with the witch hazel, I scrubbed my own wounds, and yes, it hurt. I didn't like it, but I knew I had to get the dirt out. So at that point in time, I decided I need to maybe carry more supplies with me. And I think also that year, going to Sturgis, I went a different route that year, and I ended up meeting a young man on the road. He was working on his bike, and he had burned himself trying to do something on his bike. He had burned his hand on his exhaust. It was a pretty bad burn too, but I had nothing to help him with. Now I will. Anyway, that's the story of that. I'm not gonna linger on here. Anyway, yeah. So that's it. That's what I'm taking, a paramedic approved first aid kit. I got my new sissy bar back rack, my rack, backpack, rack, whatever. I got that, a lot larger than my Tourmaster. I think it's gonna be quite nice. Anyway, I'm not gonna bore you. This is gonna be a short video. I wanna thank you for tuning in. Again, this is James T. You guys take care. I'll see you in Sturgis, and keep the rubber side down. Later.